Yo, there's a boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Membe TV ngwiraga hana ho mucie wigwe we mucie getwo muro wa Kimani riu kanitha-ini wa JCM riri ni ashirika kuo ria tandama wadama mobile spares haria agikorirwo agiakania mwaki akiandika ndumiriri fulani acoka amefuta iria kugite atiriri the work of the altar is to preach the word of God and not a place of personal revenge, anger, outpour or private addresses. If you are bitter, hear first before you preach to the congregates. Ni moigua inyui aria muramurwo haria ndumiriri ino aga yakihutia andu ingi muno to thutha wake ni agicokiria kimifuta no andu kwa bahati njega maikorwo ma screenshot uria makimitambitie wega riu ngwiciria metho kiengei kana Bishop Ben ndanakenio ni ndumiriri ino muno after mathaa matano acoka andika caption ino ugatiriri tunangoja huyo Bishop wa JCM afanye makosa kidogo. Hawa wengine sio wenye kioneki, tunataka mizizi matawi humea ingine. Agishoka haria thi akiandika inyue mutiui gathungu wega akika ati kanu gukehoe karagithimira haria taguthimira wega konera karathi riu moni wa andu ni mama kuringana na ndumiriri ino tonta Susan auga atiri but ukiguza bibi wamekuguza. Hiyo ni familia yenye imekuwa hata kabla ya JCM. Fight for your wife and protect her. It is your only who can do that. Kwanza nikikumbuka ulisema she supported and prayed for your salvation. It's your time to pay back. Do something. Whoever disrespect your wife publicly, disrespect her publicly too. Eno ginaki akugatiriri mtakuwa skeleton kingoja huyu ndanaitiririo maguta ma buriki uyu ni muthure kuna kiugo giakanite mwaki no maoni maria makirekererio ni andu thutha wa ndumiriri cia gitamba thaa ici tondu ni amana ki trend thaa ici uguo ukifuata haria mitandao-ini. Wenu waku ni uriku kuma video ino comment hau thana tuke wa gushare Miaki na Membe TV.